Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Spring is by far my favorite season, and I love how this comforter makes me feel like it is springtime inside my house as well. This comforter quilt is by Bedsure, and it is so beautiful and so soft. The quilting is just straight lines, which looks really clean and crisp. And the little flowers are so delicate and so pretty. I really appreciate, this is a queen size on our queen size bed, and I really appreciate that this is a true queen size. Sometimes queen are mixed with full, and so I've had comforters that don't quite cover my bed as much as I want, but this one covers all the sides and to the end all the way up to the top of my bed, so I really appreciate that. Like I said, it is a really soft material. And it is warm, but it is lightweight. So I feel like after the winter, having a really warm, cozy, heavy comforter, I'd like to switch things out and have kind of a lighter feel in our bedroom. And this one definitely gives you that lighter springtime feel. And I also love that it's reversible. So you also have this green and white plaid. So if you want to switch things out every once in a while, you don't have to have a separate comforter. You can just flip it over. It also has a really nice contrast if you just fold part of it down with the pillows to have the little contrast with the plaid versus the plain white with the flowers. Whether you're wanting to get a new comforter because it's spring and you want to refresh your bedroom so it reflects that, or if you just want to feel like it's springtime year-round, this comforter is perfect. It is so beautiful. You will love it, and that is my point of view.